how did these pieces of paper get this way? So beautiful. All these yellows and green colors. But we need to know what happened. Alexis, what happened? How did we get this? You don't know?
Remember we had the leaf and
we had a leaf, yeah. You remember the leaf? Yeah, used a coin to kind of squeezed out the juice from what? A blank leaf. What kind of leaf? Spinach, yeah, Popeye's food, right? From a spinach leaf. We got all, I mean, you can see the remnants there, it was just green before, one shade of green. But did we get different, were there different shades hiding in there? Yeah. How many different shades?
like 3, 4.
We were able to separate 4 pigments. Okay, from that original green color. Pretty cool. Chlorophyll A, chlorophyll B, beta carotene, and xanthophylls. And I chose this picture instead of your class. Like your class, let's look. There. Had pretty good. Hold on a second. Excuse me. Thank you. Thank you. I don't normally sneeze, so it's a trip. Oh, you put that gum in the garbage? Thanks, Anthony. Thanks. But yeah, all these colors we got, pretty awesome. I was really happy with how that experiment went. It was really satisfying. But I chose this group because look at how dark, I think at least, that's a really dark kind of orangey yellow color they got for their beta carotene. I was pretty impressed with that. I was like, that's good stuff. Yeah, so we just, we got the pigment out of the leaf. We ran a special liquid through the paper, right? The paper sucked up a special liquid called chromatography solvent. That's mostly this stuff called petroleum ether, and then acetone, and that separated. The pigments mixed differently with the solution and then traveled through that paper and got separated. Okay? And we'll come back to this when you do your summary in a second. But let's talk about flowers. Brianna, what's your favorite again? Tulips, yes. You've heard about back in the 1600s, tulip fever just went through the roof. Everybody wanted tulips. The one place you got tulips was this country called the Netherlands or Holland. You guys heard of that country before? Yeah, that's where that's famous for tulips. But they got so rich off of tulips. It was like gold, basically. Everybody had to have tulip. To this day, people like tulips. Okay, awesome. Gio, what's your favorite?
Sunflower.
Ooh, sunflower. What do you like about sunflowers? Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I think it's a cool plant because they're big, right? They're big. They're impressive, that beautiful yellow. But after they're dead, you get to eat them. How many flowers do you get to eat after?
None at all.
Well, hold up. What's that, Giselle? You could eat roses, but guess what an apple starts out as? A flower. A cherry? A flower. A lemon? So all these fruits start out as flowers. So actually, you are sort of eating the flower, right? Way after the flower is gone. Yeah, cherry blossoms, apple blossoms, pear blossoms. Those are flowers, and we eat them. Paige, what's your favorite? Rose? Okay, rose. What color rose? Classic red? Blue rose? You know, somebody else said blue roses. I haven't really seen those. Cool. Saul? Roses. What color rose, Saul? Dark red. It's a regular classic dark red. Giselle, you said roses and daisies. Yes, and I was talking to Giselle. There are a lot of wild daisies that grow around here. Whoa, Anthony and Alexis, let's listen.
Daisies are the best.
They're the best? Oh, is that what you picked? Yeah. Okay. You go along the LA River in the spring, you'll see wild daisies growing, little wild daisies. You might say to yourself, those look like daisies. And you're right. Oh, really? That's good for you. That's good. Keep doing that for your mom. She appreciates that. Yeah, Paige? Water lilies? Oh, yeah, water lilies. I just love talking about these flowers. Beautiful. Okay, so two things we're going to do today. One is after you do one thing, you're going to work on your Kahoot, the one that you're building. You're making your own Kahoot. But before we do that, I want you to write a one-paragraph summary of this lab that we did last week, this chromatography lab. The paragraph has to have at least 5 sentences. You're just going to type it right into the text box. All right? So open up a Chromebook, log into Canvas, and I'll show you on the screen the assignment. And after you do that, maybe take you 10 minutes, then I want you to work on the Kahoot. All right? Before you turn it into me, I want to look at your Kahoot, make sure it's public and everything is looking good so I can see it. Okay? All right, so grab a computer, get onto Canvas, and what about